be by me!
Oh, come on.
It'll sting me! And then what? I'll die!
Videotape this.
Hold on.
I don't even know where it went. Just come here. Oh, there it is.
What?
It's just up there. Come here, you're fine.
I better be fine, man. I'm gonna open this door just in case I have to run in there. Okay. This is the creepiest thing. This bird's just chilling here. Yep. Got it.
I'm not even sure if it's alive. I'm scared. I need a stick.
Okay.
Here we go. Right here.
Birdie.
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 Oh my God, it's alive.
It's alive.
Mom!
Jan!
I found my pet!
Hold
This
on.
bird is freaking me out!
There might be something wrong with it. Hold on. Birdie. What the hell?
Mom, this bird is still alive! And it's just sitting there and I'm touching it.
Don't touch it.
Don't. With a stick. Look!
Max,
Get away, Max.
what is it? It's a
Robin!
meadowlark.
There it went.
Oh, the cat probably got it. The cat probably maimed it.
What does that mean?
The cat is a shit, and it probably hurt it a little.
We...
We'll give you one more time.
Why?
Because we gotta save its life. That's why.
Go on, Max.
Wait, we're gonna kill it?
Well,
No.
no, I'm gonna go put it out there. It's gonna die no matter what.
Oh, fine.
The cat's gonna get it, but let's just move it out so it's not around here. Hey,
Oh, I'm dying.
is that what you were freaking out about?
No, there was a...
I told Rivers, I go, it's probably just a bee out there.
DC,
Yes, it was.
can we put it over in like the field? I'll take it.
Oh, yeah.
Max!
No.
Max!
Your rabbit.
Come here.
I did.
Where you going? Hey!
Go to bed with your sister. I'll be in there.
Oh, hell no. Oh, he knows I'm after his ball. Yeah.
I wanna take it.
Is that bait?
No, sweetheart. No. No. Go over that way. No.
Ah!